Buying a home is probably one of the biggest decisions, but do you need to hire a realtor or do it by yourself? Today we're going to discuss what you need to know in order to make the right choice for you. Hello, this is Connie with Buy Without Realtor, guiding you with the knowledge and tools to confidently buy your home on your own. And today we're going to talk about buying a home and whether or not you need to hire a realtor or do it yourself. And some of you may not even realize that you can do it yourself. So let's dive in. As I mentioned, buying a home is a big decision. But today we're going to weigh the options of whether or not you're going to do it yourself or you're going to hire a realtor. And you will decide which is going to be the best situation for you. We're going to explore both sides so you can make a decision that's going to fit your needs and your goals. First, let's talk about the benefits of hiring a realtor. They bring experience, they bring knowledge, and they bring negotiation skills to the table. They can also help you through the whole home buying process, from searching for homes to going to the closing table. However, with the recent changes of what's going on with the buyer's commission and you possibly having to pay that commission, it's important to ask the agent the right questions. So a few of the questions that you need to ask a realtor is about their experience. How long have they been in the business? Also ask them what sets them apart from other agents. You need to make sure that you have a good agent working for you. Next question you can ask them is about their communication style. Are they going to communicate with you on a regular basis about your home search and what your needs are and what you need to do in the process? The most important question that you need to ask now is, what is the realtor's commission policy? And this is so important because you need to know what it is and if you're responsible for paying that realtor's commission. Very important question to ask. A lot of the realtors now will use a buyer-broker agreement, and I did a video explaining what a buyer-broker agreement is. So you can go and view that and check that out to learn more. But a realtor will use a buyer-broker agreement that outlines what their commission structure is and what you may have to pay. Now, there may be some sellers that will negotiate to pay for the buyer's agent commission, but they're not required to anymore. Also, a realtor will talk to you about an exclusive buyer-broker agreement. And what that says is that you are going to use that realtor no matter what, and you're going to be responsible for their fee. Don't think that you can go around that realtor and go to the listing agent to avoid their fee. That's not the way to do business, and that is not going to bode well in the end for you. So do not do that. So check this out. Not everybody needs to hire a realtor. And that's where Buy Without Realtor comes in. And I bet a lot of you don't even know that you can buy your house on your own without a realtor. You can basically be your own realtor. So if you're interested in saving that commission, you don't mind a hands-on approach, and you're kind of a control freak, then Buy Without Realtor could be for you. We offer the tools and support you need to navigate this whole journey on your own. And we take the fear out of this whole home buying process by offering you a step-by-step approach so that you're feeling confident in the entire process. So let me tell you what we have to offer. We assist you with finding resources that can help you along the home buying journey, such as a home inspector, a mortgage broker, an attorney, a paralegal. So we've got resources that are available for you. Also, we will help you with conducting a home search. If you're looking for a particular home in a particular area, we can assist you with that. If you need help with negotiating, we can walk you through the steps of being able to negotiate and also putting together a good offer. And sometimes you just need someone to just talk to. You want to make sure that you're on the right track and that you're doing the right thing in the right order and that you're getting the proper information to the proper people. And that's what we do. We can hold your hand through this entire process and assist you in any way possible. And sometimes you just need that. You just need another person who's going to tell you the truth. So it's really up to you if you want to hire a realtor or if you want to do it yourself and be your own realtor. Either way, it's got to work for your situation, and only you can decide that. Just know that there is a resource available for you to help you through this whole process. And at Buy Without Realtor, we really are an innovative company because I don't know of too many other companies out there that's offering this with no ulterior motive. I am not a real estate agent, nor am I a broker's agent. I am here for you and you alone to assist you with whatever you need through this entire process. And if you feel that you're just not quite ready and you haven't really decided if it's what you want to do, the DIY way, being your own realtor, then check out my ebook below. I have it linked in the description, and it is the Home Buying Made Easy, and it's a checklist of things that you will have to go through in order to buy your own home or to be your own realtor. So check it out in the description below. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos just like this that gives you a different way of looking at buying your own home. See you next time.